Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary.Christiance, but gosh, you know me as the van guy. I got more surprises. I got some nice vans in. I got to show them to you. 2017 Pleasureway Lexor, 26,000 miles, front wheel drive, 6-cylinder, great turning radius. Let me show you all the neat stuff inside. Multiplex wiring. It's got a control here, master control switch here, and there's another one in the back. It's got a nice wide fixed running board for easy access. All the Pleasureways have ultra leather and memory foam. Very comfortable to sit in. Push the button, it folds down, makes into a twin bed. And then if you so desire, you can take the back cushions, fill in the center, and you've got a nice queen bed. This has got a 450 watt inverter, which is going to be running your entertainment center, TV, and DVD player. Got a lot of storage. Got all the owner's kit put right in here. And of course, this whole side is one big storage area. So if you look back over here, we have an electrical outlet right here. And right next to that is a controller for your solar panel up on top of your roof, keeping that battery charged up. Recessed 2-burner stove. Nice workstation when you're not using it. It's a nice flat surface. Convection microwave. Got a nice big drawer underneath. Have an electrical outlet here. It's GFI. Good storage down below, and the water pumps here, so if you ever need to service it, it's real easy to get to. Solid surface countertop, recessed sink, single lever faucet. It's kind of like the FL floor plan because it's got this island right by your door. Nice open space, you can run your awning out. Electric awning, but I'll show you that when we get outside. A lot of people like this big refrigerator. It's up off the ground. Good freezer compartment. And no, the controls are not down there, they're back up here, easy to get to. Nice bathroom, plenty of room. Got a nice space here for your shampoos and your soaps and stuff. Towel rack. Got a medicine cabinet in here. Corian countertop as well. And there's your shower head. So you would get in here, and if you're tall enough, you have to sit down. You can get the water to your right temperature, rinse off, put the shower head in the sink, scrub up, rinse off, and you're all done. Closet. You got 2 drawers down below that slide out. And the boards to make the bed in the back that I was talking to you about. Overhead storage up on top. 6 cylinders, I mentioned, front wheel drive, automatic transmission. There is an option that you can use it as a manual mode. That is an option. You can see there's USB ports, cup holders galore. There's 3 down below, 1 to the right of the dash, and then two on the doors. You have your entertainment center, which is your backup camera, USB ports, 12-volt outlet. Plenty of cup holders, 3 down below, 1 right here, 2 on each side on the doors. Power windows, power locks, automatic transmission that you can go automatic or manual control, whichever you desire. Seat reclines as well as swivels all the way around. Step down and take a look right here at the monitor panel I pointed out. It's got a master control here. You can turn all the lights off or turn the unit off completely. Awning switch is here to turn it on and off, to run the awning with a touch of a button. So if you don't have your arms tied down to your awning and it starts to get windy, you can run right over and hit the button to pull it in, and hopefully you don't lose your awning. LED light, patio light up on top. Water fills here. Electrical outlets. If you're plugged in or you have the generator running, it has a 2800 watt Onan gas powered generator that runs off your fuel tank. Monitor panels right up on top, so you got a great view here. Propane barbecue outlet is down here. This is to fill the propane up. It's not a portable tank, it's frame mounted. Just pull in, they come and fill it up. That's the exhaust pipe for your generator. Intake and exhaust on your furnace. Hot water heater, this is access for service on your refrigerator, and that's your vent. You don't need to bother with that. Utility center, this is where your power cord gets hooked into. City water, cable, and this is your on and off for your propane. Everybody knows about outdoor showers, that's what's behind there. Hot and cold water. Your sewer dumps down below, and it's got a little hose, a container to put your hose into. Gas is right here, it takes regular gasoline. And I always like to point out, these mirrors, the top and the bottom, both are controlled from inside. You switch drivers around, you don't have to get in and move the mirrors. You can just touch them, and then if you touch this button, the mirror folds in flat. If you're in a tight parking spot, you don't have to worry about that. Nice quick video. I know you got questions. Just deal with a van guy. Give me a call, 541-554-9581. My email is also on the screen. I appreciate your interest. Have a good day.